Joshulala.
Hi terrific learners, Jo here. We are traveling through the alphabet and today we have reached the terrific letter T. If you missed any letters, don't worry. Head over to our Joshulala YouTube channel and catch up from A to S. Ready for some tea time? Let's go! This is the letter T. T is for tree. Say it with me. T. T for tree. Now, let's learn how to write the capital T. Step 1. Draw a long sleeping line. Step 2. Draw a standing line from the center going down. And that's it. Your terrific T is ready. Let's do it again slowly. Step 1. Step 2. Terrific job! You can pause the video now and practice tracing. I'm cheering for you. Congratulations! Let's look at some terrific T words together. Tree, tiger, train, tomato, turtle, toothbrush, table, tap. Tremendous work! Aren't these T words fun? Let's play a quick game. Which word starts with T? Tomato or lamp? Yes, tomato starts with T. Next one. Which word starts with T? Sun or table? That's right. Table starts with T. Which word starts with T? Turtle or nest? You got it. Turtle starts with T. You were truly terrific today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning with Joshulala every day. Next up, the unbelievable letter U. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye bye.